Alright, so now we're gonna talk about one more command in order to manipulate our data inside the database, and that is the update command. So you could use update in order to change the values of an already existing row in your tables. Okay, so let's have now the following task. We just added a new customer with the insert statements, and that is Max, the customer number 7. And as you already noticed, this is the only customer that we don't have a country specified in the database. And the task is now just to add the country Germany to this record. So now we have to update the content of this customer by changing the null to Germany. So now we're gonna start with the keyword update. And now we have to specify the table name that should be changed. So we're gonna have the table name customers. And after that, to the new line, we're gonna have the keyword set. With that, we're gonna specify new values for the columns that should be changed. So we want to change the column country, and we have a new value. Instead of the null, we need to give the value Germany as a new value for that country. Now here, you need to be really careful about that. If I execute this, don't do this. If I execute this command, what's gonna happen? The database is gonna go and updates all the values for all customers underneath the country to the new value Germany. Because if you read this, we are telling the database that update the table customers and set country to Germany without specifying any customer. That means if we run that, all the countries will be in the table as a Germany. So don't do that. Our task is only to change it for the new customer. So as you can here see, our customer Max has an empty value at the country, and we only need to change it. So in order to do that, we're gonna filter, or we're gonna put like condition for the updates. And in order to do that, we're gonna use the primary key customer ID number 7. I don't recommend to use any other columns, like for example, the first name or the last name, because if you have a big table, the first name Max may be presented in other customers. So maybe you have different customers with the same first name. And if you run the query on the first name, all customers with the first name Max will have the country as Germany. So to make sure to update the right record, the right row, we're gonna use the primary key, the customer ID, in order to do that. So let's go back over here. And we're gonna write the where command exactly like the select. And we're gonna say, we need to change the customer ID number 7. With that, we are telling exactly the database we have now new value on the country, and that is only for the customer ID number 7. So let's run this and go over here and run this again to check the value. So here we have it empty or null. And after the updates, now we have Germany inside the country. All right, let's have another task where we're gonna manipulate and update the content of our tables. The task says, our new customer Anna, she was active. She bought something in our website, and she has now the score of 100. So instead of having the score of null because she was a new customer, we have now 100 for Anna. And not only that, we have entered by mistake the country UK instead of USA. So Anna comes from USA, and we have to update as well the country. So let's do that using the update command. Alright, so we're gonna check over here. So before we start like updating the values in the columns, let's go and make it sure that we have the right customer. So we are not updating different customer or updating the whole table. So let's make sure that we are selecting everything right in the where command. So Anna has the customer ID number 6. So instead of 7, we're gonna write here number 6. So now we are focusing on the right row. And now the country should be USA. So now we are giving a new value for Anna in the country field. And we want now to specify one more column to be changed. So in order to do that, we have the comma. I like to put it in a new line. And the score should be equal to 100. So with that, you are specifying like multiple columns in one update. and you can split them by the comma. So if I want to change one more column, I could do it all in one command. I don't have to have like different command for each column. I could put everything in one. So now what we are saying, update the table customers, where the customer ID is number 6, and the country should be equal to USA, and the score should be 100. So let's run this. And then go back to our select star from customers to check whether everything was okay. So I'm gonna refresh that, and you can see now Anna has the country USA and the score is now 100. So it's pretty easy to manipulate the data using the update command. Alright everyone, so that's all for the update statement, and next we are going to learn the delete and truncate statements. And in the video description you will find a link to free SQL materials like the database and the data of this tutorial, the SQL sheet, and as well all the presentations. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.